The 2026 Toyota Highlander just went full futuristic. You won't believe this redesign. From grocery runs to school drop-offs, the Highlander has always been a dependable family SUV. But what if we told you it just got a high-tech, electric, luxury-grade reboot straight out of the future? The moment you lay eyes on the front fascia of the 2026 Toyota Highlander, you'll know this isn't your average family SUV. The traditional grille is gone, replaced with a closed-off gloss black geometric panel that screams EV performance and aerodynamic precision. A full-width LED light bar stretches seamlessly across the front end, cutting through the minimalistic face like a beam of sci-fi energy. And right at the center, the illuminated Highlander script, confident, futuristic, and proudly taking the spotlight. Angular vent inlays on either side enhance the airflow aesthetics, while the sleek creased hood gives off a sculpted, muscular look. The overall vibe? Sleek, commanding, and ultra-modern. From the side, the Highlander transforms from a conventional SUV into a streamlined crossover coupe. The flush door handles, curved rear haunches, and swooping roofline hint at a perfect balance between elegance and sportiness. The ultra-slim side mirrors and black cladding around the wheel arches highlight its EV roots, while massive blacked-out alloy wheels with low-profile tires plant it firmly in performance territory. This isn't just utility. This is next-gen motion design. Move around back, and you're greeted with a stunning horizontal LED taillight bar that slices through the rear like a laser beam. The lights converge at the Toyota badge, flanked by the bold Highlander text underneath, continuing the elegant yet aggressive tone. A subtle roof spoiler and dual-tone rear bumper add both form and function. The lower portion features black diffusers with aerodynamic touches, pushing the sporty look further while enhancing airflow. Step inside, and you're not just entering a cabin. You're entering a minimalist, luxury cockpit. The panoramic windshield floods the space with natural light, while the full-width digital display integrates your speedometer, infotainment, and climate controls into one stunning horizontal interface. There's an abundance of premium stitched leather, accented with copper gold trim, and a floating center console that features a sculpted drive selector. The word Highlander is elegantly etched into the dash, reinforcing Toyota's bold new branding. From the multi-function steering wheel to the ambient lighting and smart controls, this cabin is built for comfort, class, and cutting-edge convenience. While official details are still under wraps, what we're likely looking at is a next-gen hybrid or fully electric drivetrain. Expect Toyota's latest e-Aildrie platform, quicker torque delivery, and ultra-silent cabin performance. Rumors suggest a dual-motor setup with over 300 horsepower and an all-electric range north of 50 miles. Perfect for daily drives without a drop of fuel. Add regenerative braking and drive modes, and you've got a Highlander that's as smart as it is strong. The 2026 Toyota Highlander has evolved from a humble family SUV into a bold symbol of the future. Fusing EV innovation, head-turning design, and next-gen luxury. What do you think about this futuristic Highlander? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive automotive content. Until next time, stay driven.